shit, it was a chick and she gave us a head nod. Awesome. I like women that ride bikes, especially when they're nice and they'll give you the wave or a head nod. Oh, I hate how they did all of these plates here, man. It's too many. Boopity boopity boo.
Nah, I'm good, I'm good.
We see a down biker. We're going to make sure he's alright. Go ahead and get, I don't know where we park, I guess. Make sure the man's good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You have a good day, man. Wheels up, getting a wheelie, baby. Yeah, yeah. Take a ride down the city, see what's popping off down there. Yeah, yeah. Catching a light. Me too, I'm a neutral. What bike's what? I don't care. Pick a bike. I'm getting this. Oh snap, yay yay. Oh shit, yeah, I like this. Comfortable, man. I like it. Yeah, yay. Yay! This thing, y'all want a 300 now. It's pretty slick. I had a phone call, I don't know who it was. They didn't say nothing, and I'm talking to y'all because I didn't even know. This thing is nice. It's so nimble on the turns because it's light. Yeah, yeah. Hey, this is cool because it's the first bike I've ever rode besides mine. That's a little bike for a big guy. Oh, I like that, man. Do you want to race, dude? He don't want to race. Yay, yay. Rocket on the Jigster. Wheels up on the 650. Captain Maryland on the 300, baby. Yay, yay. it. Yeah, I want a 300 more than a Grom. Your bike's smooth, man. Uh-oh. I love it, man. As I said, I want a 300 over a Grom now. You stay in front of us, man. Oh, hell no, your mirrors are tinted blue? Well, your one is. One of them is. That's slick. My clutch lever lets out more than yours. Yay, yay. Right. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, I stalled. Now I'm getting honked at. Nah, I don't feel bad because you stalled once too. Your next wheel's up. We all stalled but you. I'm cooking from this steam. It's just cooking on us. We're going, so I'm definitely staying in the back. We're all flying just to keep up with him, and he's on the 300. This thing gets up and goes though. I kind of like a bike with no fairings better. Maybe it makes it more nimble. I don't know. This bike is awesome. Just the feel and the balance and the turning, and I like not having a windshield in front of me. I can see more of what's in front of me. That's wild, man. That's mad art. Wanted a rev. He looked at us for a rev. Nobody did it. I thought I gave him one. Yeah, yeah, we down the harbor. We ripping it. It's bike swap day, man. Captain Maryland, wheels up and rock it. Yeah, yeah. Bike swap day. We're bussing it today. I got a blinker. Oh, I hate the source. I didn't see it. That's nice, man. I've never been to the aquarium, man. I've been to, that's crazy. This is going to be a great video. Oh, look at these rocks. Nah, look at this shit. That's wild. Is that why the car? Oh, shit, yeah. We're dirt biking on motorcycles. I like it. Oh shit, man. I'm cheating. I'm on the flat ground right now. It'll definitely stir. I can't go fast, guys. Y'all are gonna lose me on here. I want to be careful. This shit's bumpy. It's bumpy. I ain't rode on not like this before though. This is new. Give them red bombs. Hola, señorita. look at this. This is all. I'd love to come down here and eat, man. Look at these little restaurants. It's awesome. That's pretty slick. Tell her. Oh shit, the bike's off. Ah! Oh, you hit the kill switch on me, dickhead. Oh, you got me. I was freaking out like it ain't starting. The kill switch was off. Hey, I was freaking out like it died on me, man. It's beautiful down here, man. It sucks it's so bad. That fucking bike, yo. It says, I like your tires, man. You can lean a lot better, I guess, because they're wider. It's just smoother, man. Bike, yeah. You feel the force with it, man. Man. Oh. Yeah, you didn't get to go fast. I got fast back there, man. Now my bike feels weird with the clutch and all. And the feet shit's different too. Holy shit. Look at him getting it. Got done ripping it with wheels up and Captain Maryland, baby, yay yay. We swapped bikes. It was awesome trying new bikes. It's time to go now. Yay yay. Great ride today. Rocket loved it. We got a Beamer to race. Get them go. We got some hurricane victims. Black Beauty gave her all. I have no shame. Yeah, yay. Well, y'all, I'm Rocket. If you're subscribed, mad love to you. Hit the like button. Leave a comment below. If you're new here, I'm Rocket and my motorcycle vlogs with Captain Maryland and Wheels Up. Yay, yay. That man don't know how to drive. Y'all have a great day, man. Rocket.